That's tomato soup, isn't it? That's tomato soup, isn't it? Tomato soup. Yeah, tomato juice. Okay. Yeah, it's like a soup. Yeah. 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 Okay. Magandang umaga. Okay, good morning.
Let's have some breakfast.
Breakfast where?
Let's go to Farmhouse Inns.
Farmhouse Inn. So this is it. The Farmhouse Inn. Yeah, buffet breakfast. Yeah. Look, breakfast, $7.99. So we got here in Farmhouse Inn Dining. Westgate Farm. Yeah. Katabi lang siya ng Travelodge. Yep. Pero doon kami sa budget. Ebes. Okay. Okay, let's go. Go inside. Good morning. Where are they?
Oh yeah, we were with the other.
We are already at the it's okay.
Oh,
Thank you. No, it's big. There they are. There they are.
So you guys we can order from the bar.
We got the buffet. Ito dito.
Oh yeah, just tell the lady.
Download that.
Much ba?
Actually,
Yeah, this is big. Ford and pay the way. That's very good. Welcome to So, oh, if we got the buffet, we are going to pay first?
Yeah, you have to pay first at the bar.
Okay, and then we'll do the buffet.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. Oh, this is a big one. So, mommy, we need to pay first. We need to pay first.
open the breakfast buffet.
Yeah, breakfast buffet. This will includes the drink, the coffee.
You have to pay for coffee.
Ah, you need to pay for coffee. Okay. Yep.
So four.
For buffet, baby, what do you want? Coffee or hot chocolate? Hot chocolate.
And lemon is ready. Yeah, you got it for buffet. And then 2 hot choco. What's your drink?
Coffee.
What coffee?
Any coffee. I think
Milk.
we got refillable coffee, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah,
and the
that's
same
me
as
too.
every
Me
pub.
too.
So you want four?
For it's a big place.
Okay, so it's four standard buffets with four
Hi. Alright.
Nice.
So, yep. So
I
that's
think this is like for lunch.
yeah, that's their menu, but we got the buffet breakfast. Yeah, I think it's very big one. Oh, look at this. This is the what is this? The Sterling Castle? I think so. Yeah, we got the Sterling Castle. Oh, it's good far. We're going to get some things. So there's it over here. So hot water, we get the coffee. Let's see. I like the coffee. Yep. So it's refillable coffee. Yeah. Have some milk. So oh yeah, may kung gusto mong mag-tea pala, marami ng gustong tea. Yep. That's hot water. Okay lang. So milk lang. Walang sugar. Okay.
Did you pay for?
So this is more than just a restaurant. Every day is a Sunday. I think this is a good area to eat breakfast and even maybe lunchtime. Yeah, we got a lot of variety of food on lunchtime. So mas dako ni siya mga ka-vibes sa atong ginaadtuan pero bisa sidkap nga pub mas dakpo siya. First contestant. What would you got? Oh, everything.
I would like everything.
Everything.
Except for the tomato.
Na siya ay... Oh, saan siya? What's
I don't
this?
know, it's pancake.
Pancake,
I'm not sure.
egg, beans, sausages. This is the...
This is my top.
Yeah. This is the
Okay, it's menu.
black pudding.
Okay, it's menu.
Kuya, nalo kayo.
Okay, let's go.
Order ko.
Okay. So, that. Let's go for the buffet. Yeah. So, what's we got? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I've just had a squishy toast.
Okay. The vegan.
I'll
Yes.
come back.
You'll come back. Big guy. So look at this. So the normal one, that's what I don't know what is this. I will try this. Yeah, just a small bit. I don't know what is this. I don't want that. This one, sausages. Just only this one and this one. What's this? Wow.
Oh, very nice.
So, hash brown. Yes, hash brown. This is what I
Oh, by
like.
the way, you know the hips and hearts.
Yeah, this is what I like. That's one.
12:30.
Mushroom. Okay. More mushroom. I like mushroom. Yeah. Oop. Look at that. And yeah, this is the black pudding. Did you try this one, baby? Black pudding. And egg. Okay. Could have some. This one is this. Try this one. The beans. Little bit of beans. I'll probably put it there. And then some. Oh wow. Yep. And one egg. One egg. We're gonna have one egg. This one. That's it.
I'll get you some toast as well.
This one, yeah, it's okay with it. And that's tomato. That's tomato soup, isn't it? That's tomato soup, isn't it? Tomato soup. Yeah, tomato juice. Okay. Yeah, it's like a soup. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try that one. You're tomato. And then we got this self-roasted over here. I just bring something with me. Okay. Yeah? Okay. Here, gonna get some tomato. Alright, let's go back to the table and let's eat.
Kaya pala ka makukusang kain naman pancake.
It's just made of potato. Okay then. Thanks, babe. So we're gonna have some soup. Soup.
So it's same as the hash brown?
Tomato soup. Yeah. Yeah, soup. Right, mga on. Yeah. Okay. Best breakfast ever. So mas dako di siya nga pub kumpara sa ginakaunan pa. Okay. We'll try again the soup. Wow. That's the tomato, pure tomato.
not roasted.
Kita nyo ganiha puro pure tomato. Ilawan na to kabay sa ilahang black pudding with matching beans. May kunting amoy.
Wala ka naligo.
Kaya
Ano naman? Perfect blood. Siyempre, it's blood. So, pero ang paborito na ko mga kabay is the yan eh. Then this is my favorite. The mushroom. Yeah. Plain mushroom. It's very nice. Ako mushroom pa lang, busog na. Yeah. Let's try this one. Ito ba ganyan ikuha na to? Yan? Pwede. Ano saan na siya? Yeah, I don't know what is that one.
Daw ka.
Daw ang stuffings no?
Ay, I think so. No.
Daw mga
Pwede mo
stuffings.
siya magtang sa
This one. Daw siguro kinikag-skag beans.
Ate namin at sa bacon.
No, beans mami para may something.
Roast din.
That's very good. Yeah.
Pinadog
Yan.
tam lang.
Mushroom pa lang busog na ako gusto. Tapos, ito, I think this one is
Doon naman to label.
too big. Look.
Ah, doon ka. Wala ka kang tika.
Yeah. When you go back, I just need to lay the thing. It is too small for me. I'm very comfortable.
Is this corned beef or just ham?
Kasi ang pinky.
It's like ham.
You read it there. And that's gagmay sa kanya.
Ham siya nga pero daw coarse ham. Coarse ham. Oh wow. So kada parte yeah, pasundan ni mo yung mushroom. Yeah. Mo ni siya ang bata gadihan ng pangutanan ako. Kung ulusan ni siya katong ikaw ni Mrs. So siya, oh, it's only just potato. Yeah. It's only potato. Or potato. So, another. Kini ma'am yung sa ningali ni hash brown. Hash brown. So made of potato as well. Ano yung kalamay dito yung mga vibes kayo. Ang ilahang sudaan, wala nang labot ang salt. So, it's up to you. Kung gusto ka og salt, inilaging may edad na ta. Hindi, kalabaw ro may edad. Wala na taga butang salt. Yeah.
Pagbalik na ito.
So, pure flavor. Ha? So, no?
Ako naman tayo.
Normally ta, mga gagmay ra nga mushroom akong ilaw, pero tasting ko kuha dako nga mushroom niya. Yeah. Tapos daghan kay mushroom akong ikuha mga kabay.
Sana.
Yeah, it all you can man, pwede pa kang balik. So meaning, daghan kayong Lagi. Breakfast brunch na ni. Wala na ni lunch. So mag-lunch may dinner na. Tapos dalawa na to ilang sausage ya. Yeah, listen to suggest sa mga pan. Kaya maragdanan sa ginakwaan nga mga sausages, mas brato. Okay. So, muna ato ang pamahaw. Pero pamahaw lagi ko no. So, na yung sumisir, may nakitaan dito ng ice cream. So, testingan nato ilang, tanaw nato ilang ice cream, ha? So, testingan nato ni ilahang kuhan. Anong tawag ni ganing is nga bread? Yorkshire. Niya kay naaman ta diri sa Scotland, Scottishire. Ha? Perting hagpok ka. Hagpok pa sa kuan. Hagpok pa sa kuan. Nagaling litson. Oo. Yup. Mahaw ka lang litson. Feeling litson.
Vegetarian.
Imahad yung pagalundunan sa mainit nga kape. So, muna nakabintaha. Kaya ang kape, unlimited. So, dugang pagkape, yung kinahanglan. Normally, 2 glasses naman ko kape. Kaya magsigil ka pag ngihi ko, or magsigil ka pag kape. So, okay. So, mamahaw mo, pag namo sa Scotland. O Edinburgh, pwede mo kadto sa dito sa Travel Lodge. Masa ito yung alam ka ni Bibi? What's the name? Just the Farmers Inn. Ano? Farmhouse Inn Restaurant. Yeah, nga, more than a restaurant. Okay. Okay, so far, ano sa may mahambal mo sa Ilongga ni gali? Anong mahambal mo sa
Namit.
breakfast na? Mikit? Okay. Di mabalik ka pa di kung
Ay, piho.
piho. Okay, alright. Okay. Bumalik pala tayo mga kabark. So, second helping natin to. Try natin yung
What type of sauce?
scrambled egg.
I'll take chocolate.
Siyempre. Balik ta. Ngul siya. Kabalo na mo eh. Tapos nag-refill ka sa atong. Yeah. Ito ang tomato. Siyempre, kasi pure tomato. Asdom siya, pero the best. Okay mga kabay, so after the full breakfast, they're gonna have the ice cream. Yep. So this is the ice cream or the dessert. So they got the cakes over here. Yeah, that's there. This carrot cake. Lemon cake. And the Mars at the top. Ooh, Mars at the top. Fluffy fudge. Yeah, that's a brownies. And the chocolate fudge cake. Pero, ito. Very good. Yeah. That's the ice cream. So they get 2, 4, 6, 8, and 12 flavor of ice cream. Vanilla burger. Okay, ano na siya? Ano na siyang flavor?
Bubble gum.
Ah,
And then the cream is chocolate and cream.
Alright.
That's a clotted original.
okay, ilaw ta dali eh.
Uy, naya kasi may naiari ako. Hindi ko
Diyan to akong gamay, di ba?
Ano na liwa yun na aara o.
Okay, tulungan tani. Ano siya bagul? Ano siya bagul gum?
Sa bubble gum.
Bagul gum. Gamay lang ta, gamay lang.
Hindi ang kutsara ya imo na.
Dilaw lang, gamay lang. Gamay lang gani, gamay.
Ari pa di.
Blood sugar to the roof.
Gamay man, gamay.
Kaya, daw bagul gum gid.
Bagay na natin.
Daw bagul gum gid ang flavor. Aro,
Two more please.
cream. Chocolated cream. Matilaw man ta gamay.
That's double gum.
Oh, yeah. Gamay lang gani. Gamay lang. Oh.
Have some more.
That's it. So what did you say
I like
about
the
the bagel gum ice cream?
It's like toothpaste.
Ano pa? Hindi mo makuha ang lasa. Siya pa, hindi ko pa rin makuha ang lasa.
Basta maubos.
Maubos.
At try
Hindi
that
pa rin.
Pero then, kasi
What is it? How is it?
I'm trying to get the brownie in the bottom.
Aha.
Ari ako niya.
Yes.
Hindi na.
Uy! Tino? Oh, ari pa
Ice cream sandwich.
Kangilo.
Nga
Yan na yun.
Yo.
Nangiluhan ko sa unto ko yan.
Ari yung stand sa isaw.
Clotted cream na.
Wala. Oh, oh.
Wait. Kali.
Sige na, sige na.
Open it. Open.
Look at that.
Open what pa? Ikaw gabi. So what did you say about the bagel gum? Ari na nga bait ng isayaw. Arana. Oh.
Papa, I need
Okay.
Papa, kasi. Papa.
Okay. Yep. Wala gabi.
It's just clotted cream.
And the bottom is strawberry.
Was
Strawberry
nice.
cheesecake.
Okay.
And how much is it?
Don't forget. That's it mga vibes. Abi. So close it.
Scones.
Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Kita, baka kita usap sa